Hi friends, today's class we are going to discuss about transversal and its angles. I mean corresponding angles, opposite angle, alternative angles, etc. First of all, let us discuss about transversal. See from the figure, line PQ and line RS. These two lines intersecting another line KL, touching two distinct points, point A and point B. These two lines touching another line KL. So this KL is called transversal. So transversal is a line that cut two or more lines at distinct points. So this transversal forms 8 angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. Now let us discuss about same side of a transversal. Same side of a transversal. This is transversal KL. We have two sides, left side and right side. See that side, I mean right side, there are 4 angles. 1, 4, 5 and 8. Angle 1, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 8. What about left side angles? Left side also we have 4 angles. Angle 2, angle 3, angle 6 and angle 7. So these 4 angles and these 4 angles are the same side of a transversal. This transversal divide this plane into 2 parts. One is interior part and exterior part. So we have interior angles. This transverse, these two lines inside angles. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6 are called interior angles. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. Similarly, outside. So exterior angles. What are the exterior angles? Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, angle 8. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and 8, angle 8 are called exterior angle. So on transversal there will be interior angles as well as exterior angles. Next we can discuss consecutive interior angles as well as consecutive exterior angles. From the word consecutive, we will say consecutive days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, etc. Consecutive natural numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. Similarly, consecutive interior angles means continuous. See here one pair, angle 3, angle 4, near, consecutive. Angle 3, angle 4. What about angle 4 and angle 5? That also one pair of consecutive interior angle. Angle 4, angle 5. Next one, angle 5, angle 6. And last one, angle 6, angle 3. Similarly, consecutive exterior angles, outside angles. I mean, see here, angle 1, angle 2. Consecutive outside, I mean exterior angle. What about next one? Angle 7, angle 8. Now, angle 1, angle 8 and angle 7, angle 2 are the consecutive exterior angles. Now we are going to discuss alternative interior angles as well as alternative exterior angle. Alternative days means not continuous. Monday, not Tuesday. Monday, Wednesday. Not Thursday, Friday. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday. These are the alternative days. Similarly, alternative natural number 1, 3, 5, etc. So here alternative interior angles. Here 3 after not 4, 5. So 3 and 5. This pair is an example for alternative interior angles because this lies inside. Similarly, one more pair, angle 4 and angle 6. These are the examples of alternative interior angles. One pair, angle 3, not 4 or 6, 3 and 5. Now 4 and 6. Similarly, down alternative exterior, I mean outside. So alternative exterior angles example, angle 8 and angle 2. These two angles. Similarly, angle 1 and angle 7. These are the examples of alternative exterior angles. Now let us discuss corresponding angles. See from the figure, these two lines, this one touching, so it is transversal. Angle 1 and straight down, angle 5. Next, angle 4 and straight down, angle 8. Now this side, angle 2 and angle 6, and down angle 3 and angle 7. This pairs of angles are called corresponding angles. See once again, angle 1 and angle 5. Next, angle 4, angle 8. Next, angle 7, angle 3. Last one, angle 2 and angle 6 are called corresponding angles. Now see this figure, line AB and line CD are two parallel lines, and this PQ is a transversal. Note the point, these two lines are parallel. So already we discussed alternating angles, exterior angles, interior angles, corresponding angles, etc. Now see here, angle, we will get 8 angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Now next 4 angles, angle E, angle F, angle G and angle H. See friends, these two lines are parallel and this PQ is transversal. If these two lines are parallel, there are some conditions. Alternative angles are equal. I mean alternative interior angles are equal as well as alternative exterior angles also will be equal. See from the figure, angle B, how much degree? 140. What about alternative exterior angle of angle B? Down one, angle H. 140, 140. If two lines are parallel, this is transversal, then alternative interior angles as well as exterior angles will be equal. See here, angle B, angle H. Similarly, angle A and angle G, both 140. These are alternative exterior angle. Now see, alternative interior angle, angle D 140, angle F 140. Now angle C, angle E, both 40. Similarly, if two lines are parallel and this is transversal, corresponding angles also will be equal. See here, angle A, corresponding angles of angle A. What about corresponding angles of angle A? Down one, angle E, both 40 degree. Angle A equal to angle E. What about next pair? Angle B. Where is angle B? Here B, straight down, angle F. B, F, both 140. Next, angle D. Where is angle D? D equal to angle H, down one, angle H, 140. Now C and G, these are the corresponding angles. If two lines are parallel, this is transversal, then corresponding angles are equal, alternative angles also will be equal. So friends, these two lines are parallel, this is transversal, so corresponding angles are equal and alternative angles also will be equal. What about converse? If corresponding angles and alternative angles are equal, then the lines will be parallel. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please watch, share and subscribe and forward to your other friends and groups. Thank you.